Welcome to DevOps session. Question is, what is DevOps? Simply, if we can say development and operation teams under same umbrella to fasten the changes in production. Or development is a set and operation is another set. So intersection of development and operation is DevOps. More precisely, we can say development and operations are making infinite loop which starts from planning, then coding, building, testing, release, deployment, then operation and monitoring. After feedback, if you want to improve something, then there is always a scope of improvement, and this loop once again starts from planning, coding, building, testing, release, deployment, operation and monitoring. There are a number of tools for different phases. For planning there is no tool. Coding you can use GitHub. Building you can use Maven and other tools also. For testing you can use Selenium. For release Jenkins. Deployment you can use Docker, AWS. And for operating you can use Ansible, which is infrastructure as a code. And monitoring purpose one can use Splunk and other DevOps tools are there. For that you can check DevOps periodic table. DevOps as a PaaS, platform as a services, various organization provides its own platform as a services where you will find a number of DevOps tools and you can use for your project scenario. For example, one of the organization provides ADOP, which is platform as a services for DevOps, and there you will find tools like Git, Jenkins, SonarQube, Git, and you can use for your running project. Here we want to discuss one terminology, that is DVCS, Distributed Version Control System. This is one of the greatest feature of DevOps, where if you want to make changes in central repository, you can clone and you can make changes in local repository, and by using push command in git bash you can push to the central repository. So this is distributed version control system. And CI/CD pipeline, continuous integration and continuous testing pipeline. One tool is available, Jenkins, and other tools also you can use as per your project requirement and specification. Similarly, for static code analysis, one can use SonarQube and other tools. For other tools, you can take help of DevOps periodic table. Thank you for watching.